Unboxing of Tanna TechBiz Eagle 101 Nano-Based full system. Eagle 101 carrier board is developed by Tanna TechBiz under a Make in India initiative, specifically designed for the NVIDIA Jetson Nano module, ideal for a wide range of AI and embedded applications, including computer vision, robotics, factory automation, intelligent traffic management systems, smart city solutions. Technical specifications: DC power jack, DP port, HDMI port, USB port, Ethernet port, micro USB, SD card slot, screws and jumper pin.
Thank you for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from Tanna TechBiz. Together, stay connected.